Hi loves, welcome back to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy, flavorful, one-pot chicken cacciatore. It's an easy, delicious, rustic Italian dish with chicken submerged in a flavorful tomato sauce with onions, peppers, garlic, and fresh herbs. It's very easy to make, very simple and quick, and I'm going to show you how right now. We're going to start with chicken thighs and legs, whatever part's your favorite, and season with salt, pepper, oregano, some Italian seasoning, and some cayenne pepper. Keep the seasoning simple because there will be lots of flavor later on added. And don't forget to flip over the chicken. We want to season both sides generously. Now over medium heat, we're going to add some oil to a pan, and then we're going to saute both sides of the chicken. We want to saute each side for 4 minutes. This step is important because it helps seal in the flavor of the chicken and also provides a nice golden crust. So this is how it should look. And now we're going to remove the chicken and put it on a plate and set it aside for later. Now we're going to add 1 onion, roughly chopped, and you're going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want to get nice and caramelized onions. And then we're going to add about 3 cloves of minced garlic, and we're going to saute that for about a minute. Now I'm going to add 1 eggplant cube. And this step is completely optional. You don't have to add the eggplant. I just love the flavor and texture of eggplant. Eggplant is also highly absorbent, so if you need to, you can also add a tablespoon or 2 more of oil. And you're going to saute that for about 10 minutes until it becomes nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to add diced tomatoes, and I'm just going to saute this for about 5 to 10 minutes until the juices start flowing and it gets saucier. Now I'm adding some red peppers just for some extra flavor and color. I'm simply going to mix this in right before I start to add the seasonings. So I'm going to add Italian seasoning, oregano, and then I'm also going to add some parsley, salt, and pepper. And now I'm just going to mix all these ingredients together right before I add the chicken. So you're going to nuzzle the chicken into the sauce and try to make sure you can fit all the pieces in. And you don't have to worry about crowding the pan. This is going to boil, so it'll be evenly cooked all the way through. And now I'm going to add some fresh herbs. I have sage here, which is all that I had on hand, but I love using basil and fresh oregano in this recipe as well. So if you have that, feel free to add it. And now I'm going to make sure the chicken is submerged into the sauce and use my spatula to just cover the chicken with the sauce. At this point, all your work is done. All you have to do is cover this dish and let it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes on a low temperature. And now it's all done, it's complete, it looks amazing. You can just stir that around and serve it over rice or mashed potatoes or quinoa, whatever you like. It should be nice, flavorful, fall right off the bone, nice and tender. I hope you like this video and have lots of fun making this delicious chicken cacciatore. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I post videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.